Namaste for TV9 Digital, this is Priyanka Deo. While protesters are slumming it out and staying in tents at protest site, farmer leaders are staying comfortably in hotel rooms. The ongoing farmer protests and riots have now gone on for over 100 days. Many celebrities and social media influencers have shared victim-like images of these protesters slugging it out at protest sites, but it's been found that two farmer leaders have been staying in a 3-star hotel for months now. Balbir Singh Rajwal, the president of the Bharatiya Kisan Union Rajwal, and Kulwant Singh Sandhu are among the leaders of the farmers' protests and riots, which has led to the inconvenience and even fatality of commuters and innocent citizens for months now. Hotel bills for these two are not small amounts. Bills showed that Balbir Singh Rajwal spent over 1.3 lakh rupees during his stay since December 12, 2020. The bill even had Rajwal's breakfast and laundry expenses. So far, Rajwal has spent over 2.4 lakh rupees, while Kulwant Singh Sandhu, the General Secretary of the Jamhuri Kisan Sabha Punjab, has been staying with his son Dosanjh since December 2020 as well. Now, there may be nothing wrong with making yourself comfortable during the protests, but it hardly shows solidarity and good leadership to the actual protesters and farmers who are staying in tents and struggling to even go to the bathroom at these protest sites. There's another problem. It has been reported that Sandhu is not being charged for his stay, which includes drink as well as food. One of the owners of this hotel, which is the TDI Club Retreat in Kundli, Ravi Taneja, has been accused of embezzling 1,500 crore rupees in a land scam in Haryana in the past. Now, as one of the owners of the hotel, Taneja most definitely knows about the free stay of these farmer leaders. The other problem about this is that the farmer protesters have always identified themselves as apolitical agitators who are against the farm laws passed by the central government. But their actions have actually shown otherwise. On India's Republic Day, these so-called peaceful protesters who said they were holding a tractor rally instead broke through blockades and ran violent riots and directly clashed with Delhi police, putting innocent lives at risk. They also hoisted a religious flag that had a holy Sikh symbol at the Red Fort, where PM Modi hoists the national flag of India. It goes to show that this protest is not really about the welfare of the Indian farmer. Now, if you're a farmer leader, shouldn't you be right at the protest site supporting your fellow farmer rather than comfortably living it up at a hotel, and that too free of cost, and appearing to look like a victimized and suffering protester in front of cameras when media crews come? At best, the hotel stays of these farmer leaders shows the ingenuity of these protests, and most alarmingly, it shows that the farmer leaders themselves don't really care about the welfare of farmers over their own comfort. It's quite clear that these agitators come with a selfish agenda. Please share this video, as it's important for people to know this. For TV9 Digital, this is Priyanka Deo signing off. Namaste.